If your diagnostic tools look drab, you're missing out. Let's change that. Welcome to Spec Surgical Industry, your trusted manufacturer and exporter of top-quality surgical instruments. Today, we're excited to introduce our color-coated medical diagnostic buck hammer. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this hammer is all about durability and precision. But what makes it truly stand out? The vibrant color coating. It's not just for looks, this feature enhances identification, making it perfect for neurological exams. Imagine the ease and efficiency this brings to your practice. Ideal for surgical instrument suppliers and distributors, our color-coated buck hammer is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Want to learn more? Contact Spec Surgical Industry today, because when it comes to medical tools, only the best will do. Thanks for watching.